Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News and this is Mariam. Iqbal Kaskar, the brother of Dawood Ibrahim, claimed before the police that his brother received money through Hawala channels and the Angadiyas. While the Hawala network is a well-known one, but who exactly are these Angadiyas? So the Angadiya system works on mutual trust and is an unofficial courier cum banking service. They are responsible for transfer of crores of rupees belonging to traders and rich people. Their area of operation is mainly between Mumbai and Gujarat. Now the trust factor on the Angadiyas is so high that they would go to any length to protect their clients and also hide the contents. Angadiyas originally hail from Kathiawar region in Gujarat. They have been in business since the days of independence. While doing businesses, they use code words like Jokhim and Zevar to convey the content of the parcel. Traders and businessmen based in Mumbai and Gujarat rely heavily on them to transfer money, jewelry and diamonds. They transport in less than 24 hours for a very small fee. They charge nearly ₹100 for a ₹1 lakh worth transfer. There are around 200 Angadiyas in Mumbai and another 200 in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Surat and Baroda. They ferry the cash and other valuables bound for Gujarat to Mumbai Central Railway Station in vehicles with escorts, most of whom are privately hired security personnel. Gold and diamonds are transferred physically, while a conveyed word is normally sufficient for transfer of cash. Generally, the sender and recipient decide on the code. The sender takes a code from the recipient, which is generally the serial number of a 10 or 100 rupee note. Then the sender informs the Angadiya, who in turn conveys the same to his person at the recipient's end. Subsequently, it is delivered and the ₹10 note bearing that currency number is taken as a proof of delivery. At times, a telephone number is also used in place of currency note numbers. Here the recipient gives a missed call to the courier cell to check the number. Physical delivery of cash or diamond takes place on a daily basis. Generally, they go by Gujarat Mail and return the next day by Gujarat Mail itself. 30 to 50% of seats in the two coaches of this train are booked by these Angadiyas. For security reasons, they usually travel in groups. They generally sit and gossip all through the night or sleep in turns. That's all for now. For more news and interesting stories, please subscribe to One India News.